The first thing you need to do is get yourself a bottle of Cataclean. The chemical in this bottle is supposed to restore and maintain the exhaust and fuel system performance. As you drive, the oxygen sensor, fuel injector, and cylinder heads will be clean. And as you read the direction, it says to empty the content of the bottle into the fuel tank when you only have about a quarter tank left. Then take your car out for a drive about 10 to 15 miles and then refuel. And to use 2 to 4 times per year for optimal performance. Here you can see I only have a quarter tank left. Now we're ready to get started. Pull back the lid to see the gas cap. Turn the gas cap counterclockwise to get it open. With the bottle open already, you could just go ahead and empty the content into the gas tank. This Cataclean smells like gasoline if you want to know. Once the bottle is empty, you could just go ahead and throw it away. Put the gas cap back on and wait for the click. The click is made on purpose so you'll know that the gas cap is on tight. And now I'm just going to take the car out for a drive and I'll be back in a bit. The direction of the bottle say to drive for 10 to 15 miles, but the last bottle I used say to drive until the gas tank is empty. So I drove for about 82 miles until the gas light came on. And now I'm sitting at the gas station. And the last thing to do is gas up your car. And again, pull this lever. The 87 octane is the gas you should be using for your car. The other option is the 89, which is a mix between the 87 and the 91 octane. And you got the last one, which is 91 octane, which is used by newer and high-end vehicle. And let's get the car gas up. Remember to pick the correct octane. Remember to let it drip for 3 seconds before taking it out from your gas tank. And don't forget to put your gas cap back on. Here you can see from when the gas light come on, it takes roughly about 11 gallons to get it back to a full tank. And this is pretty much it for using the Cataclean. If you're still watching this, then I should explain why I use Cataclean. Every time you go and start your car, you will notice that your whole dashboard will light up. And when you start the car, the light right here should go away with the rest of the other light. And a while back, it did not turn off, so my car have an emission problem. And this is the code that I got when I used my scanner on the vehicle. There's a list of things that would trigger this code. The repair might end up to be very expensive. and I want to try something cheap, and a bottle of Cataclean is roughly around 30 bucks. The bottle of Cataclean did clear out the code and it never came back. The Cataclean worked for my vehicle, and maybe it'll work for yours too. Click that like button if you found this video useful. Subscribe for future updates. And again, thanks for watching.